Barwon Heads Road is a vital arterial link that serves the growing communities of Armstrong Creek, Charlemont and Warralilly, and together these form the largest urban growth area in Geelong and anywhere in regional Victoria. So right now we're standing at the Boundary Road intersection where we're adding additional lanes, traffic lights, street lighting and bus stops. The Boundary Road intersection is a formerly rural intersection that's been crying out for an upgrade in this rapidly growing area. And that's the case for a lot of intersections along the corridor. That's why we're also upgrading intersections at Precinct Road, Newport Drive, Warralilly Boulevard and Central Boulevard. So we're adding over 8 kilometres of new lanes on the corridor between Reserve Road and Lake Road, as well as a new shared path along the entire length of the route and new bike lanes. So this project builds on the benefits of the Stage 1 upgrade, improving travel times, road safety, pedestrian access and cyclist access along the corridor. We're upgrading public transport facilities and open spaces around Armstrong Creek, including providing desperately needed public toilet facilities and reimagining local Indigenous artworks. The crews are getting on and doing this work as quickly as possible, but there will be disruptions while we continue to deliver this vital upgrade. So we thank the community for their patience and request that you plan your journeys accordingly. Thanks for watching, and for more info about this project, head to the Big Build website.